Hello, I'm ANEKA from Made to Sew, and welcome to my What Is tutorial where I'm going to be explaining French darts. So, what are French darts and how are they different to normal darts? I'm going to be showing you two examples of garments that I have made or am making with a French dart so that you can see what they'll look like on a garment. So this first example here is a garment that's in construction. So if I turn her sideways, you should be able to see. Now, a French dart is a dart that starts in the side seam. So it starts in the side seam, usually around the waist area, lower than the waist area, almost down to the hip area, if you needed it to. And a French dart could incorporate a side dart and also a waist dart if you wanted a fitted garment. Now, to understand a little bit more about how you can manipulate darts around and move them into other areas, I will pop a link to my dart manipulation tutorial here. Now, the French dart will extend diagonally from the side seam towards the bust apex or the bust point, because you're fitting the bust and also the waist if you have incorporated the waist dart. Now, a French dart can be a straight line from the side seam to the bust point, or it can be a curved line. It depends on the pattern that you're working with and how it was designed. The majority of French darts will be what I call cutaway darts. That means that the dart itself is sewn more like a seam rather than a dart. The dart bulk or the dart volume, which is that sort of central bit of the triangle when you're looking at a dart, will be removed. And that's because if it wasn't removed, it's exceptionally large, and you would find that you would have a large amount of dart bulk or dart volume, which would be sitting on the side seam, so it would be quite bulky. It would probably look quite bulky on the garment and it just wouldn't look professional. I do show you how to draft a cutaway dart in this tutorial if you're interested to learn more about that. So let's take a look at garment number 2. So this garment is a finished garment, and if I turn her slightly sideways, you should be able to see the French dart. I move her sleeve back. So the French dart starts in the side seam. It's a little bit below her waist on the way down to the hip bone here, and it comes up towards the bust point or bust apex. Now, I personally really like French darts. I think they're very flattering and a nice way to get a little bit of interest as well as fit into your garment. So I will be doing a tutorial soon that will show you how to draft a French dart. In the meantime, I have my tutorial on Sunday that's going to be showing you how to sew a French dart and or cutaway dart. So a cutaway dart is a dart that has a large amount of dart bulk or dart volume, which you need to remove. I'm going to be sharing tips for sewing, pressing and also finishing. So I hope this has helped you understand a bit more about a French dart. Thanks for watching and see you soon.